I would say the best candidates for mediation are the ones that are, that are going into it with their emotions aside and can put aside the fact that, he did X, Y, and Z or she did X, Y, and Z, and they really just want to try to get to a resolution. And it really comes down to personalities. I'll tell people it really comes down to personalities, because if you have somebody, of the two that is very scorn and just goes into it with, I don't care, I'm just going to, do what I'm going to do, and we can run up fees, then it's not going to help, because typically you'll get to mediation and then they're just not going to agree for the sake of not agreeing. So both parties have to be open to the idea of finding a resolution versus, it's a cost-benefit analysis for a lot of people too. That's what I'll tell people. It's a cost-benefit analysis. You're going to spend thousands of dollars to go to trial. So sometimes you do have people that might not be the candidate in the beginning to go to mediation, but then they start to get into it and see how much the fees are running up, and then suddenly they become the candidate for mediation.